Heavy duty weed puller from DEERFAMY. Say goodbye to back pain or knee pain. This thing expands to 40 inch to 46 inch. Pump action here, really quick release all the weed. Nice handle for adjusted length right here. It's beautiful aluminum, rust free color, black gray with a green handle. You could lock as you extend or not. It's amazing. I could lift this up with one hand and you can see how light it is right here. So if you just twist it, it unlocks, and you twist it back, it locks. Right, we unlock. We could expand, or we could make it smaller, or we could expand it out to all the way to 46 inch or 40 inch. And what I'm going to show you, this right here is like a little pump action. And what it does, once you get the weed on here, all you do is just pump this out, and look, it pushes the weed out. It's going to grab all the weeds like crabgrass, dandelion and stuff. I'm going to show you. Very lightweight, nice. No, just walk around and pick up your weed now. Do not worry about to kneel down, getting a needle pad. All right, so find the weed, and you want to put all four center over there, and then step on it like that, right? And with no kind of effort, we just pull it upward like that. And look, comes out and pulls out by the root. It pulls out a little bit extra dirt. So what we're gonna do, if you want, as I said, fill it up with some dirt, or just get your feet and pull it out. That weed is gone. And ready? Gone. Look at that. The weed is gone. Listen, it's lightweight. What as I said, we're gonna come here. We got some weeds on the playground. No kind of effort. Step 1 foot, comes right out. Look at that. Done. See that? Done, man. I like stuff like this. For price and details, check in the description box. Read up on it more. It got good review, and my review right now, I'm going to tell you, it's nice. It's been a while I've been using it, and I love the pump action. It's lightweight, it's easy, pushes out the weed right there. And then just get a hose and wash it off if you want, if any dirt. All right, so up close, you put it down right here. You stepped on it, and you just bend it down like that. Pulls out every single thing right there. See that? And it holds it up. And then what do? You just push that down, pops right out. Overall, it's a really good tool. Lawn, garden is something definitely if you have a lot of pain, or if you have a lot of weed, or you have a couple weeds and you don't like to deal with them. Because remember one thing too, if you pull the weed out from the top and you do is not pull out the root, the weed will continue growing. So this will pull out the root with the whole weed, so you don't have to worry about it grow back in that spot. So get a nice grass, save a lot of money, and look at the nice grip right here. This thing is really nice. Just thumbs up here in Product Zone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Honest review, definitely 5-star in my book right here for this bad boy.